Cat5e Ethernet cable provides faster data transmission. It supports high bandwidth applications such as HDTV as well as telephone services. Cat5e Ethernet cable is widely used in various fields these days, such as home entertainment systems, computers, media players, game consoles, even hard drives are no exception. If someone tries to watch streaming video, play online multiplayer games, or connect with their home network, he or she should need to extend their Cat5e connection. But it's hard to extend a Cat5e connection, so people use keystone wall plates. These help your wires look clean and neat. Several years ago, Cat5e was primarily used in commercial and industrial buildings to make their computer networks. However, in these days, lots of people use Cat5e cables in their home to connect their home theater devices such as game consoles, computers, even TVs. Hi there. Thank you for tuning in to Monoprice.com on our YouTube channel. My name is Steven of the Monoprice Tech Support Team. Today I'll be showing you how to use the punch-down keystone jack Cat5e Monoprice PID number 5376, which is one of our many choices of RJ45 jacks. For installation, you're going to need a couple tools. A punch-down tool, a keystone jack, a Cat5e cable, cable strippers, and scissors. First, you're going to need to strip your cable. Clamp it on there, give it a few good turns, and pull the jacket right off. Next, you need to separate the cables according to color. Now each one, just untwist them. Inside the Cat5e cable, you're going to find 8 cables with colors blue-white, blue, orange-white, orange, green-white, green, and the last set of cables are brown-white and brown. Once you get this done, you can clip this centerpiece. Be careful not to cut any of the wires. Now take your cable and place it inside the keystone jack. Remember, once you start placing the cables into the keystone jack, you need to match the colors from the cable with the colors on the jack. Let me explain. Number 1, orange-white. Number 2, orange. Number 5, blue-white. Number 4, blue. Number 6, green. Number 3, green-white. Number 8, brown. Number 7, brown-white. Once you have these, you can punch it down. Be careful not to punch your fingers. Make sure you have the cutting blade facing the outside to cut off the excess wire. And the last step, place the top of the keystone jack. And now you have your keystone jack. To find these products on the web, go to Monoprice.com, click on the search bar, type in product ID number 5376. If you need help or have any questions, feel free to contact the Monoprice Tech Support Team via live chat at Monoprice.com. Once again, my name is Steven, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.